Yeah, are you guys able to see my screen? Just type in the chat box. Okay. So let's continue with the session. So today is the session 2. We are going with one by one on all the options which we have in Excel. So we have gone till formatting. We were working on. In the last session we have gone through the formatting thing. Now I would like to show you something from we were till the alignment part. I would also like to show you something on can we use this alignment thing, which is for the orientation. So the orientation is basically if you want to, you can, if you have written something in the cell, and if you want to want that the text to appear in text or a number, whatever you have written in that cell, if you want that data to appear in different alignments, so we have options. I'll show you like angle counterclockwise, for example. So this will make you make your data look like this. Let's see, this was my highlighted cell. I'm just highlighting it so you can see how I'll even increase the width of the cell so that the changes appear from quite prominently. Okay, so this was it. If you want to you know if you want to make this a clockwise, it will look like this. If you want it to be a vertical text, it will appear like this. If you want it to rotate the, so you can can keep trying based on your requirement. How do you want the text to look like? You can try multiple options which are there. Okay, you can also do a formatting, cell alignment, you can do that. So this is how we would be using this alignment function. Wrap and text, I have already told that if there is some text which is written and it is um, it is going out of the cell, then we can wrap the text to make it come in the fit in the same cell. So that was one thing. Okay, now coming to this area where we talk about currencies and all. For example, like the price per unit, this thing, if I want to show this if this is INR data, like Indian rupees, agar ye Indian rupees mein hai and we want the currency to appear, we don't want to write it manually. If we don't want to write it like rupees, rs, rupees, or for that matter dollar 2.9 and all, अगर आप ऐसा नहीं लिखना चाहते हैं तो फिर ये आप इस फंक्शनैलिटी का यूज कर सकते हो। यार ये डिफरेंट करेंसीज देखो, whatever currency you have selected, उसके बेसिस पर ये आपको दे देगा। देखो डॉलर ये ऑलरेडी शो कर रहा है। इफ यू वांट टू चेंज द करेंसी, like you can make it euro, you can even, yeah, you can have different like Chinese currency and all different options are there. Okay, yes, you can also, अगर ये कोई time using this option, if there is something like 2nd of November, second, for example, I'm writing 2nd October 2023. Okay, and I'm trying to make it into the date format, short date or long date. So if it is long date, then it will give you the date, the month, and the year. If you want to convert it into a short date, for example, then it will be turned into this format. So you have different options. Now coming to this one, coming to the decimal thing. So here you can see that if you have for example, you have written 1 lakh, okay, and you want to convert this into, you could want to have a separator as a comma style separator at 100 and 1000 and lakh, like that. If you want to have that, then you can, if you just click on this option, then the number which you have written in the cell, वो आपको 1000 में फिर lakh पे सब कॉमा लग जाएगा। ठीक है, ओके। और अगर जैसे आप देख सकते हो कि यहाँ पर पॉइंट के बाद डेसिमल प्लेसेस में 0 0 है, अगर इफ यू नो डू नॉट want to show the the decimal places thing, then you can increase. If you want to increase the decimal places, for example, like 10 by 10, we are trying to divide two number, for example. Okay, आप मान लो आपने 10 को 3 से डिवाइड करा, ठीक है, एंड यू आर गेटिंग लाइक दिस, ठीक है, 3.3333, बट यू डोंट वांट टू शो more than two places or something. Okay, then you will decrease the decimal places like this. See, okay. अगर आप decimal places increase करना चाहते हो, then you can keep increasing the decimal. So this is how the number this number tile of the